Good day everyone. Well, I figured I'd do a short video because I'm out in the garden. Haven't done a garden video in quite some time. Just been crazy around here trying to weed all my beds, water everything, pick everything. So I always have a hard time, getting things on video. But right now I'm harvesting a bed of carrots here. This is I think my third bed of carrots I've done so far this year. I've been selling a few bushels for people to can with. And we have about 3/4 of a row left here. Picked some beets today as well. I got a nice set of beets way down there, 2 beds down there. I've been planting a lot of beets because beets are pretty popular this year again. But here's some of the harvest here from today. These are some of the nicest beet greens I've had yet on my beets. But check these out. Aren't those beautiful? Look at the size of these guys, they're huge. We actually just ate some yellow beets last night for dinner, had them on the barbecue, which are absolutely amazing. Here's some of my carrots here. And they're looking like a good decent sized here. Look at that. Doesn't get much better than that. So I just picked a whole bunch because I got a restaurant that wants some beets and carrots for me today, and some kale, which I got to pick as well. But you can tell everything's doing really well. Everything's healthy. I've got a whole bunch of beds planted over there. Reseeded some stuff. But over here I want to show you this. This is crazy. I should actually do a drone shot of this because I planted a whole bunch of squash and pumpkins in here. And I don't know if you can tell, it's a seed bed. That must be like 100 feet long, but probably like 30 feet wide, I would think, at least. And there's squashes in there, there's pumpkins, butternut squashes, some white pumpkins. This is, I'm not really sure. I think that might actually be like a patty pan. Should have probably picked that, but I didn't really know what was. I honestly don't know what's in there. There's so much stuff. I'm gonna come over here and see if I can't pop into this patch here, because I'm growing some of these white, I think they're called flat borer pumpkins, and I should be able to find some here quickly. Here we go, going over here. It's thick as thieves in here, look at that. Here we go, there's some nice white ones in there. I don't know if you can, let me turn the camera on here, it's hard to do this on my phone. There's 2 in there, and there's another one over here. Maybe there's squashes too, some of the other stuff all around, but it's hard to see everything till everything starts dying off in here, because I planted things about 2 feet apart, and it was a lot of stuff, but it's all good because squashes like to spread. But anyways, that's it for now. I need to get back to harvesting because I have to help a friend paint tomorrow, so I gotta get everything done today. And we got my little kitty here, little Taco. Say hi to everybody, Taco. Meow. He's the bestest kitty in the world, aren't you, Taco? Here we go. Alright guys, once I had a few free minutes, I'll do actually a bigger tour again. I got some nice sunflowers going. My zinnias are popping. We got lots of grapes going. Blueberries are crazy. It's just been awesome this year. Anyways, hope you guys are doing well. We'll see you out there. Have a great day and happy gardening.